Welcome to Kickstart Cardio week 1, day 3. So here's a little layout of your workout. We're gonna try and go through it 3 to 5 times. Remember, in this video, I'll go over form and different variations of the movement, and then I'll go through one round with you. So here's a jump lunge. It's our first move today. You're gonna keep your weight in your heel and your front foot, and you're gonna make sure your knee is not banging on the ground. You're gonna add a tap between, as you can see. And you'll notice from the front view that I'm not keeping my stance super narrow. I'm going out to the side a tiny bit just to give myself some more stability, just like that. All right, so we're gonna start off with a glute bridge now. You're not gonna have your legs out like this. You wanna bring them closer to your body and get that 90-degree angle. So you'll do 2 bridges, 1, 2, and then you're gonna do some side toe taps. So you'll do 4, 2 on each side, and then go back into the bridge. I'm pressing through my heels every time I do the bridge, and I'm squeezing my glutes at the top. Nice. All right, now we're gonna do a half burpee. So we'll start off with the half. Won't make you do a full burpee yet. You're gonna get into the plank position, jump back up, come halfway up and go back. So I'm gonna show you the side view. I do not have a lot of flexibility or mobility, so I can't reach all the, jump all the way up to my hands. That's totally okay. Do what you can. If you wanna make it harder, you can add a push-up at the bottom and a jump at the top. So we're gonna do a plank walkout. These are hard. I was suffering. If it's too challenging for you today, you can do a push-up on your hands, or you can do a dolphin push-up on your forearms, which I will show you. Try and tighten your core and use that to help stabilize you through the movement. Here is a Superman. We're gonna swing your arms around, raise them up. You wanna make sure you're using your low back, your glutes, and you're just gonna make that like snow angel kind of motion, just like that. And then this move is toe taps. So you can use an object to tap on. Make sure it's something that if you kick, it will not slide out and make you fall. But here's me doing it, pretending I have an object. It's kind of like a high knee, but like a half knee. All right, here we go. Remember that if I switch my movement mid-workout, it's because I'm showing you the different options, not because you need to change what you're doing.